In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the estimated current mortgage payment in PropWire. If you're researching a property, knowing its estimated monthly mortgage payment can provide valuable context during your analysis. This information can be especially helpful if you're evaluating potential investment opportunities or looking into properties where understanding the owner's estimated financing costs may influence your next steps. Fortunately, PropWire makes it easy to view this information directly from a property's details page. To get started, log into your PropWire account and open the home screen. From there, click on the search bar and enter the address of the property you want to research. As matching results appear, select the correct property from the list to open its detailed information page. Once you're viewing the property, make sure you're on the Property tab. This section contains a variety of information about the property, including ownership details, mortgage information, and other public record data. Scroll down until you reach the Open Mortgages section. This is where PropWire displays the mortgage details that are available for the property. Within this section, you'll find the estimated monthly mortgage payment. This figure is calculated using the available loan information and provides a helpful estimate of what the current monthly payment may be. While it's an estimate rather than an exact payment amount, it can serve as a useful starting point when researching a property. If you'd like to better understand how the estimate was determined, you can also review the mortgage details listed in the same section. PropWire typically displays information such as the original loan amount, the date the loan was recorded, and the loan term. Using these details, you can enter the figures into a mortgage calculator to compare the estimated payment with your own calculation. In many cases, you'll find that the estimate is reasonably close and provides a good reference point for your research. Keep in mind that the displayed payment is intended as an estimate based on public records and available loan information. It may not account for factors such as changes in interest rates, refinancing, escrow payments, taxes, insurance, or other adjustments that can affect the actual monthly payment. Even so, it offers a quick and convenient way to estimate the mortgage obligation without having to calculate everything manually. By using the property page and reviewing the Open Mortgages section, you can quickly find an estimated current mortgage payment and the supporting loan details for the property you're researching. This information can help you evaluate potential opportunities more efficiently and make better informed decisions as you continue your property analysis.